Feliz Navidad. Merry Christmas. Yoga everybody, Ray Moses C. So today, as you already know, it's Christmas, and in Uganda, we are celebrating Christmas already. It's already a festive season. So right now, I'm deep in the village, and it's just so beautiful. It's just so nice. People have gone for prayers. People are roasting meat. People are roasting chicken. I mean, like, you know, it's just a very nice day. So what message do I have for you today? I wish you love, hope, peace, happiness. Oh my goodness, my cap is even falling. I wish you the best, you know, the best for 2023. May you have love, joy, peace, unity, prosperity, and good health in this coming new year, 2023. Hey fam, so I have a question for you. How are you guys enjoying this festive season? How is the Christmas season so far for you guys? Leave a comment down below and let me know how, you know, you guys are enjoying. For me, it's just really so beautiful and wonderful. I would love to take this wonderful opportunity to thank you all for supporting my journey, supporting this amazing channel, to supporting each and every video that I post in this channel. You're so grateful. I'm so grateful that I don't know what I can use to express my gratitude towards your support. Thank you so much for supporting me throughout the year, and together we are so strong. We are stronger, you know. From the beginning of this year, I had a dream. I wanted to start this YouTube channel. You can't imagine how grateful I am and how thankful I am for the support, for the tremendous support that you guys have provided to me. We started with 0 subscribers, and right now we're at 500 plus subscribers. Oh my goodness, this is a big milestone. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for the love. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Peace. May this festive season bring you hope, joy, love, happiness, prosperity in 2023. And may you continue, you know, working hard towards your goals. I would love to thank you all for the amazing support and the amazing love that you guys have shown me. I'm so grateful. I don't know which word I can use to show my gratitude towards your support. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. Thank you so much for the love, and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year 2023. Peace.